All right, let's get straight to it. 2018 Chevy Sonic. This is the 1.8 liter. Today I'm changing front pads, and this is what your front brake pad should look like. And this is the hardware. I have the vehicle in the air and I have my jack stand set. The tire won't spin in the air, so you don't have to break these studs off on the ground, but I would. That way you don't have to put any pressure on the parking pawl. But so I would break these on the ground and leave it loose, and then raise the vehicle in the air and finish getting them off that way. But if you have an impact drill, then you don't have to worry about that. Once we have our tire off, the next step is to remove this caliper. So there's two 14mm bolts right here that we need to remove. Let's go ahead and get those removed. Once you get those, once you get the caliper off, then it slides off pretty easily. And I have this little hook right here that I use to hook it to my spring. If you don't have one of these, you can use a wire or a zip tie. So I'm gonna start here by getting these brake pads out. And I'm gonna keep these pads kind of where I took them out. So this is the one that came off the inboard. So I'm gonna leave it there. And this one came from the outside. That way I can match them up with the ones. So I see it's not that one, it's that one. So I can match them up with the proper ones. And then this one's easier to match up with. So when I go back with this, I know that this one with the wear sensor goes on the inside, and the one without the wear sensor goes on the outside. Since we have new hardware, we're gonna remove the old hardware. So this is a good time to get these grooves here cleaned up before you put your new hardware on. That way everything goes on nice and smooth. So I'm gonna take about 2 minutes and clean all 4 areas. This here, here, inside there, and right there. Installing the new hardware is pretty easy. Now it's time to install these brake pads. So I'm going to start with the one on the inside. Goes on pretty smoothly. That's what happens when you clean everything up. It just slides right in, just nice and easy. Before we compress our pistons, we're going to remove this cap from the reservoir and just set it loosely on top. So this is my setup here. I'm using my C-clamp, and I have an old brake pad I'm using to push this piston back in. So let's go ahead and turn this C-clamp clockwise to get this piston all the way back in. So now it's time to apply some brake grease. So what I like to do is, instead of putting it on the pads, I put it only where it makes contact to the pads, which is going to be on the outside of this piston here and on the back side of these forks. That way I don't get brake grease where it doesn't need to be, and it just collects dust and turn into like little mud. So this is how I grease my brakes. Once that's done, we can slide our caliper on. And now we gotta get our two 14mm bolts back in. So I have both of these 14mm nice and tight now. Everything is in, the brake pads are in, the caliper is back on. So now just time to put these tires back on. And once your tire is back on, just go ahead, close this brake reservoir back up, and we can go inside the car and pump our brakes up. All right, guys, well, that's it. That is how you change your front brake pads on a 2018 Chevy Sonic.